Hello there and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. Now in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to grant app permissions on Chromecast. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome to DaveTech. Let's get started.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Alright, so we're going to head over to quick settings and then all settings. That was an error. We don't need to get into Netflix. So quick settings and then all settings. From there, we're heading over to apps. So under apps, this is where we're going to get the apps permission. So go down this list and you find app permission settings here. Click on it once and that's going to open up this panel. Now if you want to give different apps different type of permissions, you can do it here. So if you want an app to access photos and videos, just click on this and you can add that app or add that permission rather to the app. Now if you also want apps to access the microphone, you can do that here. And every app that has access to the microphone is already granted that permission. So you can see I have no apps denied. So you could choose the application and grant it the permission right from here. Now there are also other permissions. For the full list, just click on other permissions and you can see calendar, SMS, location services, phone, physical activity, camera, and so on. So whenever you want to add a permission, you just click on the app, click on the permission rather, and then you select the app that you want to have that permission and you're good to go. So that's how you actually add permissions or grant app permissions on Chromecast. Now that was useful. I want you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.